Alden, it is bitterly cold outside right now. We've been talking about how there was some snow on the ground this morning. Maybe people are waking up to see that snow, but what they're really going to feel when they get outside is that wind chill.
And we're not even that cold compared to other places in the country where their air temperatures are as cold as 15 degrees below zero. Parts of Nebraska were experiencing wind chill values as cold as 40 below zero. So in a way, we are a bit fortunate here. We're starting off looking up in Scottsburg towards the northeast as the sun begins to rise. You can see some clearing out there. That's why temperatures in southern Indiana are so much colder, is because of that clearing. Whereas to the south, those clouds are keeping us a little bit elevated at 14 degrees. West winds at 16 miles per hour, giving us wind chill values that are below zero. But even our sky here is continuing to clear, so I think we still have a few more degrees to go before we hit our lows for the day. It feels like 10 below zero in Seymour. Scottsburg has a wind chill of 3 below zero. 0 in Brandenburg and Litchfield. It feels like 6 for you folks. So it's certainly cold no matter where you are. It's good weather just to stay inside, kick back, and have a nice hot cup of chocolate. There are some weather alerts to mention. The wind chill advisory in place until 11 o'clock, mostly along I-64 and to the north there. All of our southern Indiana counties and the Kentucky counties that border the Ohio River. But taking effect later will be a winter weather advisory for Hart, Taylor, Adair, and Greene counties because of accumulating snow expected primarily for tomorrow. But we could still see a little wave of light snow move through as early as this evening. Let's look at that now with Futurecast. Clearing skies should see our temperatures try to get close to about the single digits here in the metro area. As we head into the afternoon, clouds will begin to return and our temperatures only in the teens for the afternoon, so it's still going to be fairly cold. Thankfully, our winds are going to be lessening, but we'll still have wind chill values in the negative single digits up to the positive single digits, so cold regardless. Now, by later this evening, this is at 8:30, we'll be watching another light area of some snow trying to push through, mostly to the south of I-64. Could result in some more brief light dusting accumulations. But a dry start to our Martin Luther King Jr. Day tomorrow morning, still in the single digits. But as we head into tomorrow afternoon, a more organized storm system with healthier snowfall rates will be pushing through. That's going to result in greater accumulation potentials for those southern counties that are in that winter weather advisory. I-64 is going to kind of be the boundary there for the northern extent of that snow, so we're going to have to see how far north it can get. But as we head into Monday night, some more light snow showers will continue to push through the area. So for snowfall accumulations through Monday, about an inch or less north of I-64, southern Indiana largely going to miss out on this event, I think. Between 64 and the parkways, 1 to 2 inches will be possible, and south of the parkways, especially towards the Lake Cumberland region, is where the highest amounts will be most likely of 2 to 3 inches, if not a little bit more than that in some isolated locations. Our hometown forecast for today, frigid to say the least, only in the teens. Our temperatures probably aren't going to budge too far from where they are right now. And the 7-day forecast staying below freezing until Thursday. Mostly sunny on Wednesday. We should have some decreasing clouds Tuesday. 36 Thursday, so we'll be back above freezing for a day before we return below freezing and into the 20s. Another storm system will be moving through Thursday and Friday. That brings yet another opportunity for us to get some accumulating snowfall.